Everyone, have the first drill of this year for you. And just like last year and the beginning of this series, we're gonna start it off with a bill drill. Now, this drill's video is gonna be slightly different in the fact that we're gonna modify the bill drill a little bit. You recognize obviously the standard bill drill. You've got IPSC USPSA target, you're at 7 yards, 6 shots on that center A box. This one, we're gonna add in moving part. And just basic moving, so we're just gonna go forwards and backwards, but we're gonna start at the 5-yard mark for the backwards. Basically, once you get to full extension and actually start shooting and everything with the strides, you'll be pretty close to the 7-yard mark. And then forwards, we're going to start at the 10-yard mark. Same thing, moving a little bit faster forward than maybe backwards. With full extension, actually shooting, you'll be pretty close to the 7-yard mark then. Here we go first on the backwards. Slightly off on that last shot. So I was able to keep it pretty consistent here, and then just pretty sure it was that last shot I felt just a little bit. I think it was like loosening my grip and maybe some of the step there, but we have a 3.40 there for full time. 1.74 on the first shot, which obviously a little bit slower just because you're moving and you're trying to make sure the sights are there. But here we go now on the forwards, starting at the 10 yards and moving forward. If you guys saw, I started to try to cheat and slow down there, and I was like, nope, can't be cheating like that. We have 1 down there as well, and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 there. And this one was a 3.56. So on each of those, I had 1 out. This one, like I said, just a little bit loosening the grip, and that one I was dipping down a little bit, and I started to try to cheat by slowing down the stride. Big thing, try to just stay your steady strides. Don't be slowing down for the moving. You're gonna want to potentially because you're trying to have a stable platform, but that's why trying to add training in with moving will help a lot, because that's, you know, normal and whatnot. And like I said, this is just the initial just moving. So obviously environment or like real life self-defense situation, you're not necessarily wanting to move just in a straight line forward and backwards, move off left or right angles and things like that. But practicing the bill drill just in general, getting that good fundamentals of grip and trigger pull and things like that with multiple shots is why we practice it. And then being able to practice even with the moving will help a lot as well, guys. Check it out, moving bill drill, do it clean, better than my.